Today on the Roadhouse, we got my 1979 Ford F250 diesel, 7.3 IDI. Let's get this thing started. The Roadhouse is sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. They do media blasting, powder coating, big or small, they do it all. Tell them the Roadhouse sent you. My 1979 Ford F250 4x4 diesel. It's a 7.3 IDI. It hasn't been started in a year or so. I was having problems with runaway diesel stuff, so I haven't started it in a while. Took a little bit, new batteries. That's probably one of the main reasons why it hasn't been started, is because the batteries died. Kind of got away from it. Thinking about replacing this truck with, I'm thinking about going ahead and replacing my daily driver with this truck. As far as towing the trailer around, all that type of stuff. Needs a lot of little things, but the truck's almost ready for paint. Very little rust. Let's take it for a ride. It's got one of Allen's winch bumpers on there. I haven't done anything to it. I need to have it powder coated, but I haven't done anything to it, and there's no rust on it. Time since I drove this truck. Started to stall out there. I think I'm going to have it given the once over before I get out on the road on it. Some of this stuff. There's lots of little stuff that need done. And then I need a new headlight. Probably get both of them. Whichever ones I've got in my light blue truck over there are really bright. As I told you before, this is one of Shaker Racing's worn winch bumpers that they make. Okay, we'll go a little bit over what was in the truck in case you haven't watched my other videos on it. The truck is a 79 Ford, as I've said before. It's a F250 4x4. What we did to it is we put a 1989 7.3 IDI diesel in it. We put dual tanks in the back. I already had the one tank, but we went ahead and put another one in. Right now I just switched it over so it's running. It can run on both tanks. Hadn't been started in probably a year. It doesn't like me right now. The truck originally was a Lariat. Had all the, the truck originally was a Ranger Lariat. I think I've said it was an XLT before. I thought I was right on that, but I might be wrong on it, but it was a Lariat at least. And not that it matters now, because I despise the dent trim. I love it with the clean look of no trim in it at all. Plus, that trim that gets in there, dirt gets behind it, and then it starts to rust out. The truck is in really good shape. All these most of the body panels off of it are from another truck. The same truck, in fact. Story goes, I bought this as a flat bed. No, I didn't have any bed on it at all. Bought it about 5 or 6 years ago. My buddy Alan at Shaker Racing put the diesel in it. It needs a lot of little things, hood bumpers, a lot of little stuff. I'll show you the XLT interior. Sorry, the Lariat interior. Here's the Lariat seat, dash. Needs a lot of stuff. Windshield gasket, body work, all sorts of stuff on here. Another one of the Roadhouse projects. It's a new bumper on the back. The truck that I got the body panels off of was in a fire, and it was close to the fire. It wasn't in the fire. The house caught on fire and the truck was parked in the garage. Well, it got pretty hot in the garage and cooked the finish off of the paint on this truck, on the truck that it was before. And then I ended up getting all the body panels off of it. So there's that. Everything that we did is brand new. I mean, everything brakes, shocks, skyjacker shocks on it. Just about everything. This truck's got 354 gears in it, front and back. It needs some love right now, and I think it's gonna get it. Thinking about using this truck as my tow truck. Thinking about using this truck as my tow rig for a while. It's got to get better miles per gallon than my my other gas hog. '79 Ford F250 4x4 diesel 7.3 IDI. Love it. Shop dog number 2, Timber, and I are out here in the shop tonight telling y'all thank you for watching and subscribing. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. Got a lot more videos out on these Dentsides. Take a look. Appreciate it.